thank you for coming outside. We have a beautiful morning for this, and this tree is our white pine tree. And like the Iroquois did with their weapons of war, we are going to put our 3 Bs in this hole to help it grow up. And as it grows, when you're out here on the playground, you're going to look up and watch it grow, and as it does that, it's going to put it out there in the universe so that we follow those 3 Bs. Very good. Put those right in there. Does that sound good? Yeah. All right. Mrs. Marzullo, you want to put some dirt in this hole?